What to do when your kid interrupts you while talking? Kids, especially little ones, have the habit of talking as and when they feel like. They don't see if their parents are already talking to someone else. As a result, they're often scolded and threatened not to do it. Still, they do it after some time. Though we cannot completely stop them from interrupting us, still we can make them understand that it is a bad habit and then they will gradually learn the right way to talk to us. But before we do that, let's look at the reasons why kids interrupt us. Number 1. Little kids have the habit of telling every little thing to their parents, and they don't know how to wait while you are talking to someone else. Number 2. Sometimes the kids are feeling overexcited or afraid or hungry, so they can't wait to tell their problem to you. Number 3. If you have the habit of interrupting your children while they are telling something to you, then they get the idea that they too can do the same. So, what can you do? Number 1. The first step is to not get irritated when they interrupt you. Yes, it is very difficult to do. But as and when you feel irritated, remind yourself that you have the task of teaching them not to interrupt, and that cannot be done by getting irritated. Number 2. Teach them to say, "Excuse me," or "I need to say something" when you are talking to someone else. Slowly, they will get used to taking a pause before saying what they want to. Number 3. The most effective way is to start saying "excuse me" or "I need to say something" at home, which will make your children learn faster. Remember, both you and your children will need a lot of practice and patience before this becomes a habit. Tomorrow, I'll share another easy parenting idea with you. My name is Deepti. I am a parent coach. Through my YouTube channel and Facebook page, Journey of Positive Parenting, I have been sharing many peaceful ways by which we can raise our kids, make them listen to us, and help them become successful in their lives. And the best part is that we don't have to scold or hit them when we use these ways. If you also want to learn these ways of parenting, then come to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. And if you think my videos are useful to you, then subscribe